Welcome back guys to our brand new tutorial. In this video I will show you exactly how to become a dasher, and also I will provide you with some tips and tricks how to make more money with the DoorDash app. Wait, I'm not done yet. Everything you need to know about DoorDash app, I will go over everything in this video. That's why you need to watch this video until the end. Let's get started now. Before I start the signing process, there's two questions I want to answer real quick. The first one is, where is DoorDash available? DoorDash is available in over 7,000 cities in all over 50 US states, including Washington DC and Puerto Rico, over 80 cities in Canada, Melbourne, Australia, Japan, Germany, and New Zealand, with more coming soon. Answer straight from DoorDash. If you are living in the city DoorDash available, you are eligible to become a dasher. If it's not, so you're just gonna wait until DoorDash get to your city so you can start making money with DoorDash. The second question I want to answer is the requirement to become a dasher. To become a dasher, the first thing is age. Very important. You're gonna be 18 years old or older, and you're gonna need a vehicle. So you can use your car, you can do it with scooter or bicycle. I see a lot of people use some type of bike called e-bike. The third thing is documentation. Documentation the DoorDash need from you is your driver license, your social security if you live in US, and they're gonna do a background check on you just to make sure you are a good person. They just want to make sure the platform is safe for the customer. If you answer those two questions, that means you're eligible to become a DoorDash driver. Let's get to the sign up process right now. The first thing here, they say your postal code. You go ahead, you enter your postal code, and after you enter your postal code, you press next. When you get here, you were sign up to become a dasher. They ask you your phone number. You put your phone number right here, and after you click the box right here, keep me up to date and special offer, and after you click sign up. When you click and sign up, it is gonna take you right here. When you take you right here, you say you and let's get started. So this is where you're gonna need to enter your first name, your last name, your middle name if you have one, and also you're gonna need to create a password. So after you do all that, you're just gonna go ahead here, click continue. One thing I want to mention, if you don't have a middle name, just go ahead, click no middle name in the box, otherwise it's gonna give you some error, so you don't want that. Just if you have one, you can always add it, but if you don't, close the box no middle name and click continue. After you click continue, it's gonna take you to vehicle details. That's where you're gonna enter what type of transportation you're gonna use to deliver the food to your DoorDash customer. So right here you're gonna see car, scooter, or e-bike or bike, whatever is the same thing. It's up to you. I see a lot of people use e-bike and you're gonna save some money, and they're not gonna send you for if you use bike, you know what I'm saying, even scooter also. So if you live in a city, all the city have a problem with parking, and for that reason I'm gonna go ahead and use e-bike. It's up to you, because if you click car, it's gonna ask you a lot of details about the car. After I click bicycle and click continue, it's gonna ask me right here to scan my ID. So they just want to verify exactly where am I. You can choose whatever you want. If you want to have a driver license, you can go state ID, passport, and any card do you have, and they can identify you. So just go ahead, click any type of document do you have here. I'm gonna use state ID for this tutorial, and you're gonna click it, and it's gonna see a camera pop up, so where you need to scan your ID. Okay, if you have trouble, like you say right here, for example, let me show you, we're having trouble processing your ID. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click retry, and I'm gonna continue to my cell phone. So I'm gonna put my cell phone, and they're gonna send me a code where I can finish it to my cell phone. Give me a few minutes, I will be back. After I finally scan my ID to the app, so right now there is another thing DoorDash like to do, just to make sure it is your ID is not forward. Facial scan to scan your face now. So as you can see it in the screen, now let's make sure you right, and I'm gonna say take a photo, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that in a second. Okay, I'm done. Now it said we successfully verify your ID and facial scan. So right now I'm gonna click continue. When I click continue, now it's time for the background check. So you put your birthday, everything they ask you right now, your social security, you confirm your social security. After all that, I'm gonna do that in a second. When you finish put your information here, make sure you click continue. You check every info here. You click this box, receive a free copy of my background check report, and after that you click continue. When you click continue, now is where you're gonna ask you to add your bank account. So right now you can do this, and after when you finish do all this thing, it asks you right here to do, and you're gonna receive a message from your email address. So congrats, and your name's gonna be up here. If you have any problem with your sign-in process, let me know in the comment section below, and I will give you any of advice that can help you. Now you become a DoorDash driver, right now it's time to know how you get paid from DoorDash, or DoorDash break your earnings. So DoorDash have a simple way you pay is Dasher. So the first thing you need to know is best pay. Best pay is when DoorDash pay for your entire distance is durability of the order. So that means typically you get paid for pickup and drop off and the time you spend doing the delivery. And the second thing you want to know is promotion. In promotion, you're gonna find peak pay and challenges. Peak pay is when it's super busy outside, and DoorDash pay is Dasher some extra money to delivery in this type of period. So, and you got challenges is when DoorDash tell you exactly if you accomplish this amount of trips and this day, I will give you this amount of money. Let's say DoorDash tell you if you accomplish 100 delivery in 30 days, I will give you $300. If you do that in 30 days, DoorDash just gonna add in your account for you. That's free money. And the last thing you want to know is tips. DoorDash give you 100% of your tips. Whatever the customer tip you, everything goes to you. DoorDash don't take any penny. So whatever the customer tip you in the app, this is exactly amount you will get to your DoorDash app. When you add all those together, they're gonna give you your total of your earnings. I forgot to talk to you about the kits you're gonna receive. So you're gonna get a face mask and sanitizer, and plus you're gonna get your wet card. You're gonna need to activate your wet card in order to get shop and pay and order and pay. Before I give you some tips and tricks to make more money with DoorDash, I want to cover three types of delivery exist on DoorDash app. So the first delivery exists in DoorDash app, I call it regular delivery. That's the delivery you're gonna see the most, where a DoorDash customer place an order in any restaurant. You just go ahead, you pick it up and you deliver it to the customer door. That's the simple delivery exists in DoorDash. This delivery, you're not gonna get paid as much as the two of delivery I'm gonna talk to you about later. The second delivery is order and pay, is where DoorDash give his customer access to place order from restaurant is not affiliated with. Somebody placed the order to DoorDash app, so a Dasher, whoever Dasher accept this order, just gonna go to the restaurant, place the order for the customer, and after you're gonna need to pay with the plus card. So after you place with the plus card, you're just gonna wait and you bring to the food to the customer house. But this type of delivery pay more money than the first one. The third delivery you're gonna experience with is shop and pay. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say somebody place an order to DoorDash app from CVS. So that's mean you're gonna go shop in CVS and bring all these items the customer required to the app, and you're gonna use your plus card again to pay for those items. You don't have to worry, you're not gonna use your own money, you're just gonna use the DoorDash with card. But those two type of order pay the most because they require more time. As I promised you in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna share with you some tips and tricks how to make more money with DoorDash. We finally get there, so it's time to share some tips with you. The first tip I'm gonna share with you about DoorDash is when you need to work. If you're a dasher, you have to know exactly why is the best time for you to deliver. So what I recommend you, if you're somebody you want to do it full-time or part-time, you can use this trick. What I found is most people order food from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. After like Tuesday and Wednesdays, you can take those 2 days off because they're not that much delivery, or you can still go out in those 2 days just to make some extra money to pay for gas. But those 2 days, there is nothing you can expect more. You need to take advantage of DoorDash incentives and promotions. So what I mean, like, you want to work in peak day and you want to work in peak days. And when DoorDash offer challenges, because in peak day DoorDash offers some extra dollars, you want to take advantage on this side to make some extra money. And the second one, you're gonna challenges. So if DoorDash provides some challenges in the app, make sure you do them to get more money. And the third tip I want to share, I set more than one order at a time. And the fourth tips I want to share with you, you want to make sure you avoid small orders. Small orders gonna kill you. You're gonna do a lot of delivery, you're not gonna see the money. You go out to make money, you cannot take small orders, okay? And what I will say is you have to set up a minimum wage per order. The last one I will say, referral. So if you know our friends is not busy, got a free time, just refer your friends to get some money. Now I'm just gonna go over or you get your money to your bank account. There's 3 ways you can get paid. DoorDash use weekly payment. So weekly pay, it's up to you if you wanna wait until DoorDash deposit the money to your bank account, or there is a daily pay. Daily pay where you're gonna need to pay a small fee. That is $1.99, and to get your money out from DoorDash, this is the amount you're gonna pay. It's a small fee. But if you want to wait, weekly payment is up to you. But if you don't want to wait, you just want to get your money out from DoorDash app, just go ahead, pay $1.99, and boom, your money gonna be to your bank account. And DoorDash have instantly is where you sign up for DoorDash card, and after you get instant deposit for no fee plus 2 cash back on gas. So if you want to sign up for DoorDash card, you can go ahead do it, but I don't have it. I don't know, probably soon I will sign up for it. You're not gonna get a small fee charge. Whatever money you make is go straight to your DoorDash card. Please make sure if you're not subscribed to the channel, you have to do this now so you don't miss any video that I post in the future.